Hi, it's Ashley with the IKE family of dealerships, IKE and Volkswagen of Marion, and we are excited to be doing our final check presentation to Specialized Equine Services. So they are out here at Giant City State Park, and they've got the stables here. From the IKE family of dealerships, we are super excited to present you guys the check to help fund your program, and we welcome you to tell us a little bit about it too.
All right, well, we do use horse-assisted therapy, which in a lot of cases is more successful than talk therapy or prescription medications.
The clients pay $35 per session. Our actual cost is around $90 per session with all the support. Some clients pay less. There's kind of a sliding scale if they're low income, so there's a sliding scale that goes down from 35.
We are so proud to be able to give back to our community and great organizations like yours, and I know you guys have a lot of events out here and things like that, so we want to make sure that we're still supporting our local organizations, and they're out here, they're getting back in the swing of things and providing their therapy services again. So we thank them for the service that they provide to the community and appreciate them, and look forward to helping your guys' program.
Well, we thank you, because this is awesome.
This is awesome.
Thank you.